You're a disappointment. You were all supposed to turn up at the house. Is this festival a lot more important than the demolition? More important than your new bright future? Ha! I was right. You are all hopeless village idiots.
Yes, you are right. You have everything, but you don't have a heart, do you, Zach?
Hey! Enough, okay? Enough of this drivel about my heart. Unless any one of you can change my mind, you will never see another one of these silly dances ever again. Zach.
Sakre? Sakre, is that you?